My fraternal greetings. My name is Luis Alfredo Ramirez Ortiz, and I am a student of environmental engineering in the SEAD of City of Sogamoso. I have married for 10 years. We have two children, one 11 and another of 7 years old. The last vacation, we traveled to Villa de Leyva to visit the Dinosaurs Park. It was fun and at the same time very funny because my wife didn't know that in this town of Boyacá they have found a fossil of Kronosaurus. It is the one of the largest marine dinosaurs. I say her, but she doesn't believe me, for it was very something surprising because it's something that I wanted to know and show to my children and my family. Show something about the story of the beings that inhabited our territory in this past. Since 2 years we can travel there again. Thank you.